Hi guys, if your Frigidaire dishwasher is not draining, standing water at the bottom can quickly lead to odor or poor cleaning performance and interrupted cycles. So this problem is usually connected to filter blockages, drain path restrictions or pump related issues. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix each of these problems step by step. So first of all, you need to begin by unplugging your dishwasher, and then you just have to shut off the power and then remove any excess water from the tub. Now you need to take out the lower back and inspect the filter assembly, sump area and the drain opening for food debris, grease buildup or broken objects that may be restricting the water flow. After doing so, the second thing that you need to inspect is the drain hose path. So you need to check the drain hose under the sink or behind the unit for clogs, sharp bends or improper installation. A partially blocked hose can slow the drainage significantly, while the severe clog may stop draining completely. Now, if the dishwasher drains through a garbage disposal, you can inspect the disposal inlet for obstructions. So after doing so, you just have to simply run a drain cycle and listen it carefully. A humming sound may indicate a jammed pump, while silence may suggest electrical or motor failure. So in this case, you just have to simply inspect the pump area for further debris and the sign of wear. So after cleaning all the visible issues, you just have to cut the power and then wait for about 1 to 2 minutes for it to reset the system and clear the potential cycle errors. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.